Hi everybody, here they are. Come on. We have some there. We have some kind of right in there. You can kind of see this one. Mama and her twins are like, get over here, feed us. Oh, we've got a buck here, right here. All right, so he was out here this morning. Hi. All right, we'll get started. It's kind of been a light rain going on right now, so we'll get to it. Hi guys. Hi Mama. Hi babies. Hi. Hi babies. Hi babies. Hi sir. How are you? So what I'll do is I'll kind of start on the ground first, so they'll let me kind of walk in front of them without freaking out. There we go. So I'll kind of scatter it out like that, so they'll start eating that way, and then they won't freak out as so bad as when okay, yeah, they know I gotta feed them in the bowls. Hi. I don't know where Munchie is. So, okay, you guys get further and further out on this bowl. Yeah. All right. Okay. All right. There we go. All right, everybody. There we go. You guys can start in your bowls. Yeah. There we go. Hi, everybody. Hi. Oh, we have some more down there. Yay. All right. Today we were making up our wedding invitations and our save the date. And we have some more. We have some more. You guys coming up? Come on. Come on. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. Oh, stomping your legs, stomping your legs. You don't need to stomp your legs. Just me. I'm the girl with the food. I'm the girl with the food. Oh, I wonder if drama is going on in the woods there. See them looking. Hi guys. Yeah, they're kind of cowering because of the buck right there. So, yeah. Are you coming? Yeah, there's all kinds of movement out in the woods. So they're all right behind here. I just need to hire a junk place or something to say, pick up all this stuff and take it. Or anybody that needs free firewood or something. Just bring your truck in and load it up. Another one coming up. there. Oh, look how dark that one is. Look how dark brown that one is. Hi. Okay, I won't pay much attention to you. Oh, were these two getting a fight? That one's so little and it's scratches on it. Scratches on that one. Oh, hey, you be nice. That's a child. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Be nice. Ooh, look how little itty bitty this one is. Hey, be nice. They're way smaller than you. You have enough meat on you. Be nice. Good grief. Will you behave? Quit. And quit being mean. Okay, move on down. Maybe they'll come back up a little bit more. Oh, there's more food on the ground too. There we go. Get you back up here. Tell you what, full moon time, they really. Oh, I don't know what's going on. Oh, flooding. Fleeing, I should say flooding. Fleeing away. Except him, he's like, what? What's the problem? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what's going on in the woods. They're freaking out. That tiny one is having some issues, I think. No, not really. He's like, well, screw everybody. I'm going to come and eat. Well, come eat. Come on. You go eat. Yeah, you go eat. You need to. You need to eat a lot of corn. So do you. Both of you need to eat. No skinny deer around here. Not that I want you overweight either, because then you won't be able to jump over a fence, but you guys need to eat. Yeah, I don't know what they're all doing, but they're all hanging out like I didn't do anything. So I don't know what they were all. I don't know what they were all doing. What the hiss was about. But these guys are like, screw everybody. We're gonna eat. Which they should. So last night I came out here and it was in the dark, and none of the deer came last night at all. None of them. And so this morning I seen them. Of course, the $4. They ate all the food from last night that I put out. So of course then I put out more. So hoping everybody could eat. Come on. Get back here. It's all right. Come on. Come on. There's lots of food. Come on. Come on. There's some in there. Oh, there's one over here. Come on. I don't see any more around. I don't know where Munchie is. Well, guys, I think I'm going to head inside. The rain's coming down just a little bit harder, so I don't know how long these guys will stay. I know when it starts, if it pours down, they don't stick around. I don't know where they go, but it is coming down just a little bit harder, so let's get over the rest of the food, so hopefully they'll come up and eat real quick and then go where they go when it rains. So I hope everybody had a good Sunday fun day. The gnats are here. Oh, they went somewhere. So, yep, it's springtime. The bugs are starting. Yay. No, not so much. All right, guys, well, have a great rest of your evening. Have a good one.